What's up guys, it's Jordan from Monster Motoring here, and we are back with this video, very special video that I've been holding back for you guys for like 3 months now. So I've been hiding something. I've been hiding something very small. So here's Monster Motoring's newest 218 Ti Gran Turismo. It's got the 4-cylinder inside. No, it's the M2. This car is our brand new track build. So the whole point of this car is to pretty much be able to go on the track easily, start running, just, you know, start all the time, and something that's not really a project. So having something that actually is reliable, that can go on the track all the time, much more helpful than a 1990 Miata, 2001 Lexus or anything like that. Not that those builds aren't continuing, but this is going to be a lot easier. Alright, so with this car, we're going to have a full build series coming out over the next couple weeks. We have videos from December, when we got the car, all the way to last week. So without further ado, M2.